Hi guys, today we're painting Spawn. This is a model sent to me by a viewer on the channel, so stick around until the end of the video to see how I bring him to life. Okay, let's go. Before we begin, every like, subscribe, and bell icon tap means the world to me and keeps me going. And by the way, all the gear I use, like paints, airbrushes, brushes, and more, is linked in the description below. If you're looking to buy them, clicking those links is a great way to support the channel, as we'll earn a small commission to keep things running and create more high quality content for you. Thanks a lot, and let's get started. Starting with the base. To accurately capture the eerie vibe of a graveyard filled with skulls and hellfire, I'm using black and green as the primary tones. Along with those, a few accent colors are applied to details like the zombie arm rising from the ground and the thorny vines wrapping around the ancient cross. Let's see how I bring this spooky atmosphere to life. Next up is the signature crimson red for Spawn's cape and the armor pieces on his arms and legs. Once the red sections are complete, the black muscular symbiote suit will be painted right after. Using a detail brush and thinned paint, I work into the recesses and pattern grooves across the arm and leg armor to create a weathered, aged effect over time. Metallic paint is used to bring out the metal details, followed by painting the sharp spikes and claws. A white base coat is applied first, followed by a thinned brown wash to give them a natural, realistic, discolored finish. The metal chains wrapped around his body and Spawn's iconic white chest markings will be painted now to finish off the torso. The final step is completing the head with the sharp white facial markings, paired with menacing, glowing green eyes. Let's do this. Don't go anywhere, the final result is right here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you love this video, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on future videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next one.